Buenas noches. A continuación voy a realizar la presentación en inglés de la actividad 5. Hi, my name is Hilda Melo. I just 20. Wait, I am from Samaniego. I the housing and study. I am married. I live with my husband, the married son. My friend like go for a walk with my family. My husband, my son, and I are visiting and the most beautiful statue in the world, the Sensi Tower the Lady and the slabs in Ipiales Nariño. This is the place that many people visit. Happy in my 8 months, the pregnancy, waiting for little José David. Thank you.